Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another daily market recap. And today we're recovering from my red day yesterday. Let's get into it. Okay, so we had, when I woke up this morning, let me turn down my speakers a little bit. There really wasn't much on the scanners. I think KUST, this custom entertainment, all I can think of when I see this company is like Pimp My Ride from MTV years ago. That's like all I think. It's like custom with a Z. And you're like, yeah, that is what I need. I think that was the leading gapper. So like we really had nothing. We can probably pretty easily get to pre-market, back to before stuff started moving. Okay, for some reason that is, oh no, we're continuing. I don't know. Does page down work? Oh yes, baby, yes it does. Okay. Seems to stop there. No, we're still going. So yeah, whenever we get there, we really had nothing on the scanners, and then JLHL hit the scanner, and it just seems like there was no news. It's Chinese. And I mean, we can clearly see that this stock just has a lot of volatility and range. And this was a big move from, yeah, mid-June, it looks like, early June. And then it's just giving it all back and then some. So kind of a dead cat bounce. Really wasn't interested. But on days like today, oh my God, excuse me, I'm sorry. On days like today where we didn't really have anything in the mornings, this could have easily had a short squeeze and squeezed up, but it was already a little higher price, so I really wasn't interested. And then what else did we have? ERNA. So this is the stock that I traded. ERNA, another therapeutics company. Kind of just fairly standard, straightforward stuff here. So it gets this spike up at, what was it, 8 a.m.? 7:50. So which is slightly weird because whenever I woke up and I looked at the scans and I turned on my computer and I just kind of laid in bed and was like, eventually I'll move. So 7:50 was kind of weird because I'm like usually ready for the top of the hours, top and bottom of the hours. So it hits the scanners and it comes up, and I'm like, oh, well, it doesn't really seem to be doing much. And then we get this little topping tail and it pulls back. So if we hop over on the 10-second chart here, I was looking to see, where did I get my first trade at? 754.41 at 9:30. 9:30. 754.41. So, yes. I was looking for just maybe if we can break this candle wick and then get a nice little squeeze up, which we ended up doing, and I ended up missing that. We get this push right through here, and so I was like, okay, we broke that, and then the next goal was to see if we can break this high of day. So I let it pull back a little bit, and I try to break, and then I buy this dip here at, what I get into. I got in at 7:36. So I was trying to get in at 9:50, and I got filled in a little bit lower, which is actually, it worked out. And then we just get a little pop back up, and I ended up selling at, oh boy, where is it? So I ended up taking a bit of profit for 30 cents a share at 9.67, and then it sold a little bit more. I ended up adding back for the break of 10, which around here, and got a breakout, got a little bit of extra profit on there, sold a little bit more for a small loss, and then it just continued up, and I actually bought back again at 11.14 and took a little bit more profit, and then same thing at 12. So I kind of actively traded this the whole way up, a little buying and selling, and I managed to lock up $199.10. And I'm a little bit annoyed at that number because I was going to buy 500 shares, but with this big topping tail, especially on the 10-second, this big rejection on the 10-second, and I'm just like, oh, well, I don't want to be too aggressive on it because yesterday was a red day, so I was managing my risk a little bit by taking less share size. Now, that was a mistake because if I would have doubled my share size, I would have made $400 today, but hey, can't win them all, I guess. And yeah, it ended up kind of just giving back most of this move. And yeah, I took multiple trades today, or I took 3 total buy and sell trades of 250 shares. And I was green on 2 and red on the other by like $50. So yeah, that was my trades for today. Only traded 1 stock, and then I was like, I'm done for today. And so let me know how you guys did in the comments, and we'll be back tomorrow for the next one. Peace.